we introduce the Kawasaki Robotics BU015X. The BU015X has been specifically designed for in-vehicle sealing and underbody coating applications. With a maximum reach of 2,888 mm and a payload of up to 15 kilograms. Its flexible and specialized 7-axis design greatly expands its work envelope, making it ideal for sealing tasks through windows and inside vehicle bodies. The BU015X has a compact and symmetrical structure, as well as internal hoses, which greatly reduces the risk of interference with workpieces or peripheral devices. The symmetrical design of the robot makes programming through mirrored teaching especially easy. The BU015X. Discover the world of Kawasaki Robotics.